Now, the recent deportation of 104 Indian nationals from the United States has sparked significant controversy, particularly concerning the treatment of the deportees. Even as the government and pictures confirm that only men were shackled during the 40-hour flight, some of the female deportees have contradicted this claim, stating that they were also shackled during the journey.
ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਬਿਆਨ ਹੋਈ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡਿਪੋਰਟ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੈਂਪ 'ਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਾ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੈ ਆਏ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਲੋਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਘੜੀਆਂ ਲਵਾਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨੂੰ
मैं जैसे ही यहाँ से तकरीबन 28 अगस्त 2000 से हमारा वीजा था गुहाना लैटिन अमेरिका का जी वहाँ पे हम तकरीबन 25 दिन रुके हम उसके बाद जैसे ब्राजील तकरीबन 2 दिन रहा मैं बोलीविया भी 3-4 दिन 5 दिन लग गए हमको और पेरू ये भी लैटिन अमेरिका में आता है जी पेरू के बाद एक्वाडोर के बाद कोलंबिया आता है कोलंबिया और वहाँ पे तकरीबन हमको 1.5 महीना लगा कोलंबिया में
1.5 महीना कोलंबिया
में हम स्टे किए हम जी उसके बाद तकरीबन बाद में हमको ले गए वहाँ पनामा
वहाँ पर क्या डॉन्कर वगैरह होते हैं
डॉन्कर सारा हाँ जैसे आगे से आगे नंबर मिल जाता हर एक आदमी करता है कि अपने वजन भविष्य के लिए कि कुछ ना कुछ हम अपने लिए जी कर लें पहले बाद में घर तो बाद में कभी भी बना लेंगे ना और जो भी हमारा सेविंग था हमारे पास जमीन था और जो थोड़ा बच रहा था पैसा मतलब नहीं पूरा हो रहा तो फिर अपना ये घर भी हमने
गिरवी रख
दिया था
Remember, now the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar addressed the issue in the Parliament yesterday, where he had stated that the deportation process is standard practice and that the US Immigration and Customs Enforcement authorities typically use restraints during deportation. He emphasized that women and children are not restrained during the flight.
Honorable members would be aware that the process of deportation is not a new one. I repeat, not a new one, and has been ongoing for several years. We have been informed by ICE that women and children are not restrained. Further, the needs of deportees, including during transit, related to food and other necessities, including possible medical emergencies, are attended to. During toilet breaks, deportees are temporarily unrestrained if needed in that regard. This is applicable to chartered civilian aircraft as well as military aircraft. We are, of course, engaging the US government to ensure that the returning deportees are not mistreated in any manner during the flight.
My colleague Shreya Upadhyay, beg your pardon, Shreya Upadhyay is joining me live right now from the newsroom to get us more details on the story. Well, Shreya, we did hear what the External Affairs Minister yesterday had to say in the Parliament, where he said that as per the US's Immigration and Customs Enforcement, no restraint is used for women and children. Now, we did go with that statement of Jaishankar until this morning when there were testimonies that started coming out from the deportees who said that women were also not spared. They were also shackled and chained when they were brought in that military aircraft.
That's right, Samia. Yesterday, we heard the External Affairs Minister say that that was a normal procedure that was undertaken by the United States of America as far as the illegals being deported is concerned. But he mentioned the fact that women and children were not handcuffed and chained. But today, we saw some reports suggesting that women were indeed handcuffed, and they had also alleged mistreatment during that flight that came in from the United States of America. Now, what we're getting to know right now, Samia, is the fact that the External Affairs Ministry is holding a press conference right now, and there is a statement from the ministry that this kind of treatment that has been meted out to the illegal Indians will be taken up by India with the United States of America In fact, reports also suggesting that the Indian government is in touch with the Immigration Department of America, and it's going to be a key issue which will be discussed between India and America as far as women and children and their treatment on that particular flight is concerned. So yes, there are some conflicting statements coming in that contradict what the External Affairs Minister was saying, but so far, the Indian government has not really come out and confirmed that sort of treatment. We're also getting reports that India will certainly take up this issue with the United States of America. This statement also, remember, Samya, comes right ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US, which will happen on the 12th and 13th of February. So there could be some talk that Prime Minister Modi will have regarding this entire crucial issue with President Donald Trump. We'll, of course, have to wait and watch. But that is, what we're getting to know the latest, that the Indian government is certainly in touch with the Immigration Department of the United States of America as far as the mistreatment of illegal Indians being deported back to India is concerned. Samya.
Absolutely. Thank you, Shreya, for getting us all those details. And like my colleague was mentioning, that there was a press conference held a short while ago, and they have specified how there are concerns pertaining to the deportation that was carried out, and they are going to be taking it up with their US counterpart.